Solar Snap high-performance racking system comes ready to install right out of the box. Gain cost-saving speed with the Ace Clamp Power Up pre-assembled. Snap components simplify installation. Single tool install keeps it speedy. Premium pre-assembled Snap components are built to last. Easy. It's race day. You're up against a tough deadline. You've got the Ace Clamp Power Up pre-assembled. Dance across that finish line because Solar Snap got you on and off that roof faster. It's what we do. Get the free cost-saving guide to solar mounting today. Visit aceclamp.com to learn more about our other cost-saving solar mounting solutions, including membrane, asphalt, and concrete coverboard.